The 2024 Tesla Model 3 Highland marks a significant update for the popular electric sedan, offering a range of improvements over its predecessor. Here's a breakdown of the key changes and overall impressions. Exterior, subtle design tweaks. While the overall silhouette remains familiar, the Highland boasts refined details like a revised front bumper, updated headlights and taillights, and new wheel options. These changes contribute to a more polished and modern look. Improved build quality. Reports suggest a noticeable improvement in panel gaps and overall build quality, addressing a common criticism of previous Model 3 iterations. Interior, premium materials. The Highland features an upgraded interior with higher quality materials like softer plastics and improved leather seating. This creates a more luxurious and comfortable cabin environment. Enhanced seats. The front seats have been redesigned for better comfort and support, offering improved cushioning and bolstering. This is particularly noticeable on longer journeys. Minimalist approach. Tesla's signature minimalist interior design continues in the Highland, with a focus on clean lines and uncluttered surfaces. The 15.4-inch touchscreen remains the central hub for controlling various vehicle functions. New sound system. The Highland boasts a significantly upgraded sound system, offering an immersive and dynamic audio experience. This is a welcome improvement for music lovers. Performance, improved ride and handling. The Highland benefits from revised suspension tuning, resulting in a smoother and more comfortable ride. Additionally, handling feels sharper and more responsive, making the car more engaging to drive. Enhanced autopilot. Tesla's autopilot driver assistance system receives further enhancements in the Highland. Improved camera and sensor technology allows for more precise lane keeping, automatic emergency braking, and other features. Other notable changes. Increased range. The Highland offers slightly improved range compared to its predecessor, depending on the configuration. This extends the distance you can travel on a single charge. Faster charging. Tesla's supercharger network continues to expand, offering faster charging times for the Highland. This reduces the time spent waiting at charging stations. Reduced reliance on sensors. The Highland utilizes Tesla's vision-only system, relying solely on cameras for obstacle detection and parking assistance. This eliminates the need for traditional ultrasonic sensors.